Pilgrimage is a journey of the soul. For Muslims, the Hajj to Mecca is the ultimate pilgrimage, but any sacred journey can change us. The act of travel with a purpose can open our hearts. I remember my first pilgrimage. I was nervous and excited, but as soon as I arrived, I felt different. The air seemed charged with energy. Everyone around me was there for the same reason. We were all seekers, looking for meaning and connection. During a pilgrimage, we leave our comfort zones. We meet new people and face challenges. A pilgrimage isn't just about reaching a destination. It's about the journey and how it changes us. So why wait? Start your own pilgrimage journey today and transform your faith. The path. Before you set off on your pilgrimage, there's work to do. It's not just about booking flights and packing bags. You need to prepare your heart and mind too. Start by learning about the place you're going to. Read its history and significance. This will help you appreciate it more when you get there. Next, think about why you're going. What do you hope to gain from this journey? Set some intentions. Maybe you want to find peace or forgiveness or clarity. Write these down. They'll be your compass during your trip. Also, start a spiritual practice if you don't have one already. This could be daily prayer, meditation, or reading sacred texts. Don't forget the practical stuff. Make sure your passport is valid. Get any visas you need. Book your travel and accommodation well in advance. When it comes to packing for a pilgrimage, less is definitely more. You don't need much. Focus on comfort and practicality. Start with good walking shoes. You'll be on your feet a lot. Break them in before you go. Pack clothes that are modest and easy to wash. Layers are good. You can adjust for different temperatures. Don't forget essential toiletries. Bring sunscreen, hand sanitizer, and any medicines you need. A small first aid kit is a good idea too. Pack a reusable water bottle. Staying hydrated is crucial. A small backpack for day trips is useful. You can carry snacks, water, and a guidebook. Remember, you don't need luxury items. Section 4. Navigating your sacred journey. Once you arrive at your pilgrimage site, take a moment to breathe. You've made it. Now it's time to navigate your journey. Start by orienting yourself. Get a map or guidebook. Learn the layout of the area. This will help you feel more comfortable and confident as you explore. Don't try to do everything at once. Pace yourself. Most pilgrimage sites have specific rituals or routes. Learn about these beforehand. Follow them in the order that's traditional. This helps you connect with pilgrims who've come before you. Be open to meeting new people. Pilgrims come from all walks of life. You might meet someone who changes your perspective. Listen to their stories. Share your own. These connections can be a big part of the pilgrimage experience. Section 5. Embracing the rituals and experiences. Rituals are the heart of any pilgrimage. They connect us to tradition and to each other. Learn about the rituals before you go. Understand their meaning and significance. This will make them more powerful when you participate. Don't worry about doing them perfectly. It's the intention that matters most. Be prepared for strong emotions. Pilgrimage can stir up deep feelings. You might feel joy, peace, or even sadness. These are all normal. Let yourself feel without judgment. If you need support, talk to a fellow pilgrim or a spiritual guide. Many pilgrimage sites have people who can help. Take care of your physical needs. Drink plenty of water. Eat regular meals. Get enough rest. Section 6. Bringing the pilgrimage home. Coming home after a pilgrimage can be tough. You've had this amazing experience. Now you're back to normal life. But the journey doesn't end when you get home. In many ways, it's just beginning. Take time to process what you've been through. Look at your photos. Read your journal. Talk to friends about your experience. Think about what you've learned. How can you apply it to your daily life? Maybe you want to be more mindful, or spend more time in prayer or meditation. Perhaps you want to be kinder to others. Set some goals based on your pilgrimage insights. Write them down. Make a plan to achieve them. Stay connected to the spirit of your pilgrimage. Create a small, sacred space in your home. Put some mementos there. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Share your own pilgrimage stories in the comments below and visit our website for more inspiring content. Stay inspired.